Is it evidence of independent thinking to question Watchtower teachings that aren't supported by Bible scriptures? Notice this article in the Watchtower, June 15, 2000, page 19, paragraph 6, under All of You Are Brothers. Jehovah also listened to Habakkuk, who asked, "How long, O Jehovah, must I cry for help and you do not hear?" Did Jehovah view the question as a challenge to his authority? No. He viewed Habakkuk's queries as legitimate, and he thereupon revealed his purpose to raise up the Chaldeans to execute judgment. He assured the prophet that this foretold judgment would without fail come true. By taking Habakkuk's concerns seriously and answering him, Jehovah honored the prophet. As a result, the distraught prophet brightened up and became joyful with full trust in the God of his salvation. So once again, is it evidence of independent thinking to question the teachings of the Watchtower Society that aren't supported by Bible scriptures? Now let's look at the Bible at Acts 17:11. This is about the Bereans, and it says, "Now the Bereans were more noble-minded than the Thessalonians, for they received the message with great eagerness and examined the scriptures every day to see if these teachings were true." Now here we see the Bereans, just like Habakkuk, they questioned what they were learning. And were they met with indignation? No, they were referred to as noble-minded. And Habakkuk was honored by God when he questioned God. So is it independent thinking to question the teachings of the Watchtower Society that are not supported by Bible scriptures? Well, let's look at the Watchtower magazine, January 15th, 1983, page 22, paragraph 21, under Avoid Independent Thinking. How is such independent thinking manifested? A common way is by questioning the counsel that is provided by God's visible organization. Now, Habakkuk was honored by God when he questioned the things that God had told him, and the Bereans were called noble-minded when they looked into the scriptures to make sure that what the things these men were saying were true. But the Watchtower Society here is saying that it's independent thinking to question the things coming from God's visible organization. But there are no scriptures to back this. So once again, Jehovah's Witnesses are very proud that they listen to the Bible. They live their lives by Bible teachings. Everything they learn and believe in comes from the Bible. Well, if that's true, then who are you going to listen to? Are you going to listen to the Bible, or are you going to listen to human men, who, by the way, have changed this teaching, because it always wasn't this way. Let me show you. This is from the Watchtower, May 1st, 1934 issue, page 131. The Watchtower is not the teacher of God's people. The Watchtower merely brings to the attention of God's people that which he has revealed, and it is the privilege of each and every one of God's children to prove by the word of God whether these things are from man or from the Lord. And this is from the Awake, October 22nd, 1973, page 6. It says, "Reasonable persons agree that the only fair method is to examine the evidence on both sides, both for and against a disputed theory. That is how one arrives at the truth." So the Bereans were called noble-minded, and Habakkuk, God was proud of him for questioning. So the Bible encourages this, and the Watchtower even acknowledged that this is what one should do, but then later changed their mind and say that it's independent thinking. So Jehovah's Witness, what are you going to do? Are you going to listen to the Bible, or are you going to listen to human men who can't make up their mind? Thank you for watching.